Silkie chicken farming is very popular because it is one of the most popular and beloved ornamental chicken breed. The ornamental chicken breeds are generally sold at very high prices in the market. You will be able to make good profit from this business. So, you can start commercial Silkie chicken farming business. Starting Silkie chicken farming business is very easy and simple. First of all, you have to purchase very good quality, healthy and disease-free birds for starting your Silkie chicken farming business. You can purchase either day-old chicks or mature birds. Making a good housing system is very important for Silkie chicken farming business. The house can be of full concrete setup, or you can build the house with easily available and low-cost materials. Ensure flow of sufficient amount of fresh air and light inside the house. Make the house in such a way so that you can easily clean the house. And as they are ornamental chickens, so on average a mature Silkie chicken will require around or up to 10 square feet of housing space. You can feed your chickens ready-made poultry feeds. Never feed your chickens with contaminated feeds. Always try to provide them with enough clean and fresh drinking water as per their demand. The Silkie chickens are good for raising in both confinement and free-range system. But raising them in free-range system will help you to reduce feeding costs, and at the same time it will help the birds to produce better quality products. The Silkie chickens are naturally very good breeders. Generally one healthy rooster is enough for breeding around or up to 10 hens. They lay cream or tinted colored eggs. They lay 100 to 120 eggs a year. They excel in the broodiness department, and are fabulous mothers. The Silkie chickens are very calm, trusting and of friendly behavior. They are unable to fly, and can be kept easily with low fencing. However, they require some special caring for keeping their feathers in good conditions. They should be kept in dry conditions, because their feathers are not waterproof. Vaccinate them timely and always try to keep good contact with a vet in your area. Marketing ornamental birds can be a little bit difficult, because demand and value of ornamental birds are not same in all areas. So determine your marketing strategies before starting this business. These are the common ways and steps for starting and operating a successful Silkie chicken farming business.